What if your customer needs a replacement run capacitor? No problem. You can enter the part number of the competitor's capacitor. Just start typing and select the one you want. And there's a list of compatible replacements. Or go to the Selection Criteria section and search by specs, like the required voltage, capacitance, shape, maximum height, can diameter, temperature ranges, or frequency. Voltage and capacitance are two of the most important values, so let's choose those specs to generate a list of Totaline replacement parts. You can also export the parts list to an Excel doc, and use the drop-down menu here to select and search different product families if needed. And if you have any problems, contact customer service.